So I'm looking through this pool cover, and I've got this snake right here on camera. He's about to expose himself a little bit better through there, if you can see him go. Obviously this pool is not exactly swimmable at this point in its life. It's been covered for many years, and now this cover just ripped. Anyway, I've been noticing this garter snake, which is swimming right here right now, coming up towards me for a second right then. He lives here in this pool pretty much. You're gonna see him swim forward just a little bit more here, and this is where I always see him. This is where I just saw him. So here he is. Just down there, and he'll go over there. And I don't know if you can see him or not, so I'll probably stop the video.